January 1793. A king steps onto a scaffold in central Paris. The crowd is silent. He is not dragged in chains. He walks. But the blade does not care about bloodlines. Louis XVI was executed the same way as any common criminal. Why? France was bankrupt. Decades of royal spending, 2 wars, and a famine left the treasury empty. Louis called the Estates General for the first time in over a century. But instead of granting new taxes, the people formed a national assembly and stripped the monarchy of real power. In June 1791, Louis tried to flee France in disguise. He was caught at Varennes, just miles from the border. That single failed escape destroyed any remaining public trust. The assembly had tolerated a weak king. They would not tolerate a traitor. The convention voted 361 to 360 to execute him without delay. On January 21st, he was addressed not as king, but as Citizen Capet. One clean drop of the blade. Divine right died with him.